Okay, we got everything we need here now to finish this head. You can see we got this all sanded down nice and smooth and taken down, so this is shaped, fixing the body good. We still have our mark, so we know where to drill our hole for our stick. And that stick will go in here. So this is an 1¼ inch stick and 9 inches long. So we'll drill the hole to put that in. We have this 7/8 inch hook here, which will go into the bottom of the stick, and we'll put a rubber band on this hook and the bottom of the body. So when you're working it or doing a show or something, this helps keep that on there. You don't have to just constantly hang on to it tight with your hand. We have the mouth here, which we're going to use or get in there. We have this this goes in here. We have our spring. This is a 3-inch spring. It gets attached to the top of the head here and then to the mouth. So this will get attached down here, and this spring will pull your mouth closed when you open it. We have a 1-inch hinge we're going to use. That gets attached here on the back of your mouth. And then we have this block. It's a 3/4 inch block. That will get attached here. So this is what you'll use to open and close the mouth. We have 2 of these little eye hooks here. One will get it screwed in here. That's for your spring to attach. The other one will get screwed back here. That's what you tie your string to. So this block here will go inside the head, back in here, down in here. We'll drill 2 holes on each side. Put 1 5/8 inch screws and some glue so it won't turn on us, and that will get attached in there. That's so it doesn't, the mouthpiece doesn't move on you. We have a 1/2 inch dowel, which will also go back here, and that's for our string to go up and over and down through the neck. We have a 24-inch piece of nylon string. We have a 1-inch ring as we tie our string to. We have our acrylic eyes here. We have our ears with 1-inch screws in there. So what we'll do is we'll use a drop of glue so they don't twist on us, and we'll screw it in to reinforce it, and those will get screwed onto the side of the head. The ears are the last thing we attach, so they're not in the way when we're doing things. So you got everything here you need to finish your head. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.